am Professor, School of Computer and Information Science, University of Hyderabad. Our Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Head of the Departments, Faculty Members, and my dear students. Your warm welcome to all of you for this Institution Innovation Council MIC driven program conducted as a part of AA for Atmanirbhar Bharat pre-summit engagement towards India AA Impact Summit 2026. First of all, I sincerely thank our chief guest, Dr. Atul Netigar sir, for accepting our invitation and for being here with us today. We are very happy and honored to have you deliver an expert lecture, machine learning classification methods, which will be very useful for students and faculty. At this moment, I would also like to briefly share the achievement of our Institution Innovation Council achievement for the last 1 year.
You're all studying engineering. You did hear about control systems. Control system is something which prevents a car from crashing, and there are so many reasons for you to study control systems. Okay, so once upon a time, control engineering was one of the most important engineering subjects which was there. Okay. From the study of control systems and the analysis of that, they came up with some concept which is called as pattern recognition. How many of you have heard about pattern recognition? You all heard about, have you heard about pattern recognition? Pattern recognition as a subject of study. How many of you heard of that? Nobody in this room? I mean the students? Okay. One more question then. How many of you heard of machine learning? So everybody seems to know machine learning. Nobody knows pattern recognition. Huh? So almost 30 years back, almost 30 years back, when I am studying my masters and all that, the situation was like this, that everybody knew pattern recognition, we invented as such. We put it into a new package. Okay? There is in English, there is a phrase which is called as putting old wine into new bottle.
Host institution by the MSME Government of India. Through this facility, we have developed 9 working prototypes and published 9 patents, out of which 3 are product based at TR level 5. We have also received approval for a AICT to establish the AICT Idea Lab with a funding of rupees 90 lakhs, and we are planning to inaugurate soon. Further, we have been sanctioned semiconductor design EDA tool worth of 60 lakhs from the Ministry of Electronics, Government of India. With this, we have established a national mission of endogenous processor design in India. Under the Yukti Innovation and the IP Respiratory, we submitted several ideas, and our surveillance robot project was selected for the second round of evaluation. Our institution has actively participated in major government programs such as Smart India Hackathon and MSME Idea Hackathons,